Hi, I'm Richard Campbell, CEO at Kele. We're really excited when we get our supplier partners in to visit with us and talk about where the industry is going. Today, I'm with Mark Fisher, the president of Dwyer Instruments.
Rich, glad to be here. Excited to be working with Kele.
Absolutely. So Dwyer is a key player in the market. Today, Kele has a lot of Dwyer products, but we're really working to expand that partnership. Tell me more.
Well, it's a big deal for us. We believe that Kele has unbelievable wealth and knowledge in its organization. They have phenomenal relationships with their customers and just good knowledge of the industry in general. So partnering, to me, with Kele just makes perfect sense.
Fantastic. So we're taking our product line from maybe 500 SKUs up to about 2,500. I mean, we're quadrupling the Dwyer products that we're going to be carrying. So Mark, what should our customers know about Dwyer that they may not know today?
Well, we are a U.S. manufacturer, been in business since 1931. We are an innovative organization. We have over 650 patents. And believe it or not, yes, we've got a big catalog, but over 90% of those products are made here in the United States.
Wonderful. One of the things our customers ask us about is tariffs and what's happening to our products. They're concerned about the pricing they're getting. And so one of the values that Kele's been working on is to make sure our customers know products that are tariff impacted and what are alternatives to those that may be going up significantly in price. So where does that impact Dwyer?
So Dwyer looks at things from a long-term perspective. We understand that things can be worked out over time. Obviously, our costs are impacted. We understand that make a buck these days is tough. So to put customers in that kind of situation, we don't think is good. So we're viewing it as a partnership here. If we can offer a solution where there's no tariffs at all, I think our company will make up through volume, and Kele will be able to make it up, and it'll cause our customers less stress, give them abilities to win.
Wonderful. That's one of the ways we will help our customers win. So Mark, one of the cool new products is this new Dwyer Insertion Bag Meter. It's a product that we hear a lot from our customers. They're looking for solutions for, and this is a new product that Dwyer's bringing to market. Tell us about it.
Well, one of the things that existing products have out in the market there, Rich, is the fact that they're very hard to install. It takes time. You've got to fill out cards. Just difficult. Then you got to wait a long time. And even when you get it, it might not be what you want. So we try to come up with something really easy to use in the field.
Very good. Well, we are excited about having these in stock for our customers.